Rachel Lewis, who took the initiative to get this thing up and going in 1999. So first of all, on behalf of all of us who have had the opportunity to congregate and develop ourselves in a community of professional coaches as a result of Rachel's invitation, I say thank you.
This is Jim Huey, Master Wealth Acceleration Coach. I was the second president of our chapter in 2001 and was privileged to serve under and learn from Rachel Lewis, our founding president. We all want to be successful. Coach because you love it. Coach because you enjoy seeing others succeed and you want to facilitate that. Enjoy each coaching session. Grow your clients and yourself.
In his poem Sweet Darkness, David White writes, "Anything or anyone that does not bring you alive is too small for you." To me, this phrase sums up the challenge and promise of coaching. We believe that the process of coaching can indeed bring the best and biggest expression of our clients to life. We who profess to be coaches have a mandate to live this. It is in the DNA of coaching. That's a tall order, to bring people alive and be big enough for them. It's one that I regularly fall short of and continually strive for. It's something ICF Orange County has always done very well. ICF Orange County is a community that brought me alive, and I suspect that there are others who would say the same thing.
Hello, ICFOC. This is Joan Friedlander from Virginia. We have certainly enjoyed numerous programs and speakers over the years. I think the best speakers have reminded us of the transformational and life-impacting profession that we've chosen to engage in, and I'm always moved when we hear them. Others, equally important to us, have reminded us that coaching is a business, and they have given us the tools to help us succeed, and I'm equally grateful to them. At the heart of the chapter, though, are the people who regularly attend meetings, and most especially the volunteer board that have dedicated a year or more of their lives to making this a viable, dynamic community of successful coaches.
The world is calling to design a present not based in the past, but instead based in declarations for new possibilities in our future. The world is calling for coaching, for coaches to support their clients, to expand and grow and be courageous in the face of uncertainty and fear. It has been a privilege to be part of the International Coach Federation Orange County, with their roots to the ICF Global, an organization committed to making bold declarations of what's possible for all of us in our future.
This is Nahi Kazaza, and one of the things that makes being a coach so powerful is that we're the ones who are most directly involved in the big changes that are unfolding in our era. The information age has brought us technology tools that have enabled us to reach the upper limit of our capacity for productivity and knowledge, and now people are starting to crave meaning. It's not just meaning we are craving, but corporations are seeing that interpersonal dynamics are the one place where they still have room to achieve productivity gains. Our personal drive to build lives that are more fulfilling is now lining up with a business drive to have more meaningful cultures. And we, the coaches of the world, are facilitating this change. No matter who you coach and what they come to you for, you have the power to make an impact on the world. And to top it off, when we get together with other coaches, there is simply no limit to what we can make happen. It's an inspiring group of people to be friends with, learn from, and grow with. Have a wonderful night, and never forget the power you have to make a difference.
This is Doug Gefeller. I was the president of the Orange County chapter in 2008. And the thing that stands out for me for the Orange County ICF chapter is really the people. It's all about the relationships. It's all about the day-to-day proof every time the monthly meetings came up of having a clear vision, and a group of dedicated people can make almost anything possible.